3 ways to make attractive money on Audible. Step-by-step guide for beginners. If you have been on Audible for a while, you probably already know that the platform is incredibly lucrative for independent book narrators and authors. But have you considered becoming a narrator? If you are not sure how to get started, here's everything you need to know. You can make money from Audible by selling your own audiobook, and if you are like many other self-publishers out there, you're probably not getting much traction when you try to sell your audiobook. But if you want to build your Audible audience, you'll need to learn how to make money on Audible. What is Audible? Audible is a subscription streaming service that offers a variety of audiobooks to listen to via any internet-connected device. Most of the books are in biography, science fiction, and fantasy genres. They also offer classical music, new age, and general entertainment books such as romance novels. The subscription service is currently available in US, Canada, the UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, France, Germany, Austria, Belgium, Netherlands, Spain, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Italy, Switzerland, Denmark, Iceland, Portugal, Turkey, Hungary, Poland, Greece, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, and Bulgaria. Even though they serve in 175 countries, having content in 46 different languages, do you know you can earn a handsome income through an Audible platform? I'll tell you. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my Technical Solution channel and press the bell icon for further updates. Ways to earn from Audible. Here are the top 3 ways to monetize through Audible. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of advertising where affiliates receive a commission for referring customers to merchants who sell products or services. When you promote the products or services of a company with which you have an affiliate relationship, you share in the profits earned with those products or services are sold. But why choose Audible? In my opinion, audiobooks are some of the most powerful tools available to affiliate marketers. They are great for people who need to read but don't have time to read books. There are so many people today who have access to a computer but not a lot of time to sit down and read books. This is especially true for people who work all day long. Therefore, these individuals prefer to listen to audiobooks over reading physical books. Key features to affiliate marketing on Audible. 1. Promote a 30-day free trial on Audible with your own custom URL. 2. Listeners go to an Audible trial landing page. 3. Audible Gold Digital Membership $10. 4. Audible Free Trial Digital Membership $5. 5. Audible Audiobook 0.5 cents. 6. Your listeners will enjoy a free audiobook. 2. Producing audio content. Secondly, Audible is now the world's leading seller for downloadable audiobooks. While the company is still primarily focused on the United States, it is expanding internationally with a new focus on publishing and distribution outside. Audible has over 300 active subscriptions per month with 21% listening to podcasts. They offer a variety of titles available for every taste to the listener. Yet with a little creativity, you can take your written content and turn it into an audiobook. This is a great way to add value to your content and increase its reach. In order to create an audiobook, start by writing the content you want to convert into an audiobook. Then export it to your computer as a Word document or Google document. And write every day to reach the goal of an audiobook. 1. Selling Audible products and services. Audible's business model relies on selling audiobooks and other content to customers who already subscribe to Audible. As an online retailer, Audible sells directly to customers through its website. The company's sales team is tasked with working with retailers who sell Audible content to drive customers' acquisition and retention. In addition, Audible works with book publishers to get their content into the hand of Audible customers. That means the number of opportunities is increasing for you. 3. Narrating other people's work. You have no time to write and then produce your audiobook? Good news for you. Still you can earn, but how? The author is looking for voiceover artists who can narrate their ebook and convert it into audiobook. You can find multiple jobs online and do it for authors. Audible versus audiobooks.com. Audible and audiobooks.com's key difference are that Audible offers a better return policy and audio quality, more original titles, and a yearly subscription discount. In contrast, audiobook.com services are identical in the price, apps, and audiobook library. Reason why Audible is better than audiobook.com. Cost per audiobook. Audible costs $7.9 per book subscription compared to $14.95 with audiobook.com. Not a substantial price difference, but still a gap. Returns policy. Audible's great listening guarantee allows you to return any book within 1 year of purchase, no questions asked, while audiobook.com has no guarantee and specific returns are at our discretion. Audio quality. Audible's sound quality is significantly better kbps compared to audiobooks.com's kbps. However, most people will not notice the difference in audio quality because this might be important for audiophiles. So as a narrator, it's better to get the platform that has better customer satisfaction and an incredible refund policy. Therefore, you can start your money-making journey with Audible. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are some things that you need to consider before you start the journey. First, you must be able to read fast. You can practice reading out loud by recording yourself reading books. Secondly, you must be able to speak clearly and effectively. You can also record yourself reading. Finally, you must be able to provide an interesting narration. You can get paid for narrating audiobooks. Not only it will help you earn extra cash, but it will give you a chance to share your knowledge with others. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.